Today I'm playing Roblox 2.
Yeah, you are. Smart ass nigga. Stay in there.
I want to get out!
No, people are escaping! People are escaping!
Ah, pull me out so I can escape too! I also want to escape this freaking jail. Christian, can you help me escape? Help me escape, niggas! Help me! Open the door! Open the door! Slapped! Oh my
We
god,
can't.
I hate this game.
Wait, you need to sleep. Goddamn sleep.
I don't know how to sleep.
This is a hell. We're only 3 guards. I don't know if I want my camera. Okay, fuck.
Give me a gun and I can help you. I can help you if you give me a gun. I can help you.
How do I drop it? How do I drop my weapon?
I don't know. I don't
Fucking
know.
cameras, die.
You're just killing him. What the fuck are you doing?
I torture people. No. No. I like to torture people. It's funny.
Don't kill me.
I
I'm
only
sleeping.
kill people in my side.
I'm sleeping.
Die! 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 Die!
Christian, do you know how to escape from the jail? I ask you how to escape.
Fuck
I
that.
never played
Oh
this
my
before.
god! Need assistance! Need backup! Need backup! He's attacking me! Who's attacking?
With what?
A strangle thing! He tried to kill me! I need to get out of this shit. Okay. Okay. I can get you free. I can get you free.
Okay, fine, get me free. I'm not free.
I can get you free. Wait.
Okay, I'll wait 1 second. Then I kill myself. Hello. I wait.
Okay, you can get a weapon. Kill yourself right now, and I can kill yourself. Reset.
How to kill yourself?
Go here and reset character.
Okay. Confirm. Do you want to reset your character?
Oh, I want this. Give me.
I'm free.
200. No.
No! Your friend just killed me. With his big ass shotgun.
Oh, weapon. Give me. 2. Okay. Okay. This cost money too, right? Oh, why just cost money? This cost money too.
He's shooting me. I don't want to die.
My God, see my. Let's play another game. This is boring.
Okay, this is boring. Let's play another Roblox game.
How long have this been? Only 4 minutes. Hey, what the fuck are you doing?
See you in next Roblox game. Bye.
This